here, try it again. But you have to have this close because...
Yeah, no, I'm doing it.
Oh, no, you don't have to have that close.
Okay.
You just have to have this close because when it bursts in the frames, it's not that. The corner.
Okay.
So it has to bounce back and forth. Okay?
But it's not even lining up. So I think this one, maybe the batteries aren't.
Maybe the batteries are dead. Is it working?
No, there's no even light here. So
What kind of batteries are in it?
double A.
Oh, I think it needs AAA to work.
Oh, maybe that's it. Yeah, it probably needs AAA.
Oh, it's not strong
Yeah,
enough?
go get the one from the bedroom because this got AAA.
Okay. Which one? The one that does the volume or the one that does
Yeah,
the
that one. There's no the volume one. You did say. It is hilarious, isn't it?
Here, I got it.
Yeah.
You have to show me which one.
Well, just push the red when the red light comes on.
This one?
I don't know, push the red one. Does the light come on? Push the red one. Don't point in your eye.
Okay.
Push the red. Does the light?
Show me.
This button right here, that big one.
Yeah, I know.
Does it? Doesn't the red light come
No,
on? In the
no light. No light.
You sure?
Yeah.
Wait.
I think you're just making this so loud.
Just point to that.
There's
Is
no
that
light.
them a good battery? But
Huh? I'm
I
not trying
saw
to burst
that.
you into flame. I'm
I
just
saw
saying there's no light. There's no light. I'm not trying to burst you in. Take it.
just try it. See what happens. Maybe there's dirt on the wall.
Yeah.
Probably dirt in the corner or something.
There is a little bit of dirt.
No, that
That's
doesn't
probably
work.
why. Yeah, it's rebounding.
But there's no light though.
No, but it's working because them are good batteries.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, we'll just take the dirt out of the corner. Okay, try that.
Maybe because it's with laminate.
Maybe it needs to be damp. Probably needs to be damp. Take some of that water and sprinkle it there. Try that. Don't touch it though.
I know, but it's not even giving a light.
No?
See, I think this is like the 75% thing. It's like, how much can we fuck with this girl before she figures it out that we're just fucking with her?
We're fucking with you.
Oh, you fucker! See? And I keep doing it